औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Linear equation or expression in two variable. Now we are going to learn about linear equation or expression in two variables. First point, the general form of a linear equation in two variable x and y is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. A, b, c are real number, x and y are two variables. For any value of x, we will get a corresponding value of y, which is x comma y, order pair, and it is called one solution. It is a one solution. For each value of x, we will get a corresponding value of y, and we can write that value in a form of ordered pair x comma y. That is a one solution of this equation. A linear equation, third point, a linear equation have many solutions or ordered pair such as x comma y, which satisfies the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Only single value not satisfied, single ordered pair is not satisfy this. Many ordered pair is there which satisfies this one. So it is a linear equation, means a line which has millions of points like this. It is a point represent a single point x comma y. Okay, like that millions of points satisfy this equation. So each value of x we get a corresponding value of y. For different value of x we will get different value of for different value of x there is a different value of y also. Now fourth point, put x equal to 0 to get corresponding value y, that is x comma y. We will get a point for x equal to 0, we will get corresponding value y, that is, and we write that 0y. And similarly put y equal to 0 in that equation, we will get that the corresponding value of x comma 0, y value is 0, then x is there, x is 0, y will get. So like this, in short we get that points, two different points, putting x equal to 0, y value gives that this is a solution in terms of y. If put y equal to 0, we will get a solution in terms of x and 0. Fifth point, x equal to k is a linear equation parallel to y-axis and k distance away from y-axis. It is a x equal to k is a linear equation which is parallel to y-axis. It is parallel to y-axis and k distance away from y-axis also, and passing through the point k comma 0, and this line passes through k comma 0, point k comma 0. Another one, y equal to k is a linear equation parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis and k distance away from the x-axis and also passes through 0 comma k. So remember that x equal to k means it is a parallel to y-axis, it k distance away from y-axis and it passes through a point k comma 0. This is a parallel to x-axis and k distance away from x-axis and passes through 0 comma k. Now equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. And the last one, equation of linear line passing through origin. Any line or any linear equation which passes through origin will be in this form, y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. So these are the some important results or points you have to remember to solving this equation quickly. Now general equation is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is our general equations. A, B, C belongs to real numbers. X and y are two variable x variables. These are called variables. These are the two variables. So this is our first equation for each and every value. If we will put x equal to 0 in this general equation, x equal to 0, what happened? This became this term ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this whole term becomes 0 and y value is what? Minus c by b. So point is what? 0 comma y. This is your point, but this is nothing but 0 comma minus c by b. So this is your point. If y equal to 0, if you put ax plus by plus c equal to 0, this is your linear equation. So this becomes 0. So what you will get? Ax equal to c. So x equal to minus c by a. So point is nothing but x comma 0. This is nothing but minus c by a 0. These are the points we will get. If x equal to 0, we will get this point. Y equal to 0, we will get this point on a line. Okay. So these are there. Now we are going to find about this equation. Again, what is that? Each value of this, we will get the corresponding value of that. We will see that. Equation. If x equal to k, this is okay. We have taken this. What? X equal to k is a line parallel to y-axis. This is x-axis, this is our y-axis, this is x dash, or this is y dash. So this is our y-axis. X equal to k. In x equal to k means any value. Here, suppose we are taking here. So x equal to 3. Here k is what? K equal to 3. X equal to 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is this line, x equal to 3. That means x equal to k. Now this line is parallel to this one. So x equal to k is a parallel line to x-axis. Suppose we are taking x equal to minus 3. Again k value is what? K equal to minus 3. So the line goes like this. Again it is parallel to y-axis. X equal to 2. It goes like this. X equal to 2. All lines x equal to 5. X equal to 5. X equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 6. X equal to 3. This is all these are parallel to y-axis. So this is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. We can write that. Parallel to y-axis. Suppose we are taking y equal to k. This is parallel to what? X-axis. Parallel to x-axis. This is, see again here. This is our x-axis. X dash, y dash. Now x equal to y equal to 2. Somewhere else we have a point 1, 2. So the line moves like this. So this line is called y equal to 2. So the see it is parallel. These two lines are parallel. Which line? Y equal to 2 and x-axis are parallel. So if y equal to minus 3. Again minus 3 is where? Here. This is minus 3. So this is y equal to minus 3. Again it is parallel to this. Y equal to 6. Where 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a line y equal to 6 parallel to x-axis. So we can say that any line x-axis k and it is passes through that distance. Distance is also same. So this is here. This is our x-axis. X equal to 3 means 3 units away from this. Okay, count 1, 2, 3 from y-axis. They are 3 points, 3 units away, and x equal to 5 means 5 units away from there. Like that here 6 means from here it is 6 units away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that we can say that these two lines are very special one parallel to x. This is parallel to y-axis, this is parallel to x-axis, away from that one and passing through the point. Point also, this point is what? This point is x equal to 5, y equal to 0. That means k 0. Here 3 0. Here 2 0. So that means k 0. K 0. So all are passing through. Here also there. It is this is x-axis. Now it is 0 k. That means 0 2. 0 2. K value is 2. Y value is 2. That means k equal to 2. That this is here 0 6. That is 0 k. K value is almost 6. Like that we can say here minus. This is x-axis minus 3. So it passes through this point 0 minus 3. Y value should be there. Second value is y. First value for x. So like this we can judge the equations also. Now question number 1 is there. If the age of Ahmad is 4 times the age of Rahim, for this choose the correct linear equation in 2 variables. Here 2 variables. 2 variables x and y is given, so we can take x and y. For this what we have to do, make a take some variables as age of Ahmad and age of that. Let age of Ahmad be x, okay, and age of Rahim be y. These are 2 variables we have chosen like that. Ahmad age is x, Rahim's age is y. Now what is condition is there? Ahmad is 4 times the age of Rahim. So according to that question, age of Ahmad is 4 times 4 into y. Times means into we have to multiply. X equal to 4y. This is our equation. Where is that? B. So B is your solution. B is your solution. Somewhere else you have to write B. Okay. How to make equations? Just we have to suppose age of Ahmad is x. X as a variable. Age of Rahim as y. Now see the condition. Ahmad's age is 4 times of Rahim. 4 times means multiply we have to. More 4 means add. Less 4 means minus. Here 4 times means multiplying. 4 into y. 4y. So this is our equation. If it is not there in a bits, then it can be write like this. X minus 4y equal to 0 also. Somewhere you will use this equation, but we have this equation here. So we have to choose here not to extra one. This is extra line. One more extra line you can take. If it is not there, then this will be the solution. So like that we can frame the linear equation in 2 variables. Question 2. If x by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 7 is written in general form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then a is what? Now compare this. Now make this equation as general form. Solution. X by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 7. Now take the LCM of this. This is 12. This goes to this side, 4x. Divide this, you will get 3 into y, 3y equal to 7. Now this number moves to this side. So this is nothing but 4x plus 3y equal to 7 into 12. Okay. So this is again 4x plus 3y equal to 7 2s are 14, carry 1, 7 1s are 7 and 1, 84. Now write it in this form. X plus y minus 84 equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A is what here? A equal to 4. So A, first bit is here, answer. A is a solution. Like that we can change this form of equation as general form. Now compare with the The general equation, the coefficient of x is a, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of b here, c equal to minus. So any way you can find a, b, c using this method. You will get number of problems by this. Find b, find c, find a. Just you have to make the equation following algebraic rules and make it as ax plus by plus c equal to 0, linear equation form. Now question number 3. If the cost of a ball pen is ₹5 less than the half of the cost of an ink pen. Here we have to get first collect the variables, assign the variables, make the give the correct cells to that variable and frame an equation. So first of all we are taking ball pen, cost of ball pen bx. So assigning x as a ball pen cost, and cost of ink pen. This is ball pen, this is ink pen, by. Now half of the cost of ink pen, ink pen is this, half we have to take. That means what? Half of means half into y. This is 1/2 y or y by 2. We have to write this. Okay? Why? Because here also there, here also there, here also there. So we can write like this only. Y by 2 or 1/2 of y is same. These are y by 2 is also same. So this is there. So we have to put like this. Okay? Now frame the equation. What is given? Cost of a pen is 5 less than the half of the cost. 5 less than half. 5 less than half means we can write 5 less than half of ink pen. This is nothing but half value minus 5. This is 5 less than. This is called 5 less than. This equal to what? Ball pen of cost of ball pen. As per the condition, x equal to what? Half y minus 5. This is our equation. Where is that? First bit. So A is our solution. So like this, these are the steps we have to follow and get the equation. If this is not there, so move the values, you will get something, a different equation. So this is nothing but x plus 5 equal to half y. This is another solution. If it is there, so this is also a solution. Here minus is there, that's why we are not taking. Here 2 is there, we are not taking. Another one we can make a frame, we can make it, move this 2 to this side. 2x plus 10 equal to y. If this and this also not there, this is your solution. If this is also not there, then we can write x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. This is a general form of equation. 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0 is the equation which represent this. So these are the 4 bits to get this equation of this line, linear equation of this line in 2 variables. Okay? Question number 4. If 0 comma a is a solution for 3x plus 7y minus 21, then a is dash. 3, 21, 7, 9 is given. So for solution of fourth one, for 4 we are getting solution here. Equation point given. Point is what? 0a. That means x equal to 0. Y equal to a, we have to substitute in this equation. 3x equal to 7x minus 7y it is. Okay, make it y. Why? Because x and y is there. So this is this. In place of x we have to substitute 0. X 0. Y is a 7. A equal minus 21. Zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. This is 7a minus 21. Move this number to this side. 7a equal to 21. A equal to 21 by 7. That is 3. So first bit is your answer A. Okay. A is 7 ones are 7 3s are 21. So it get cancelled. Now this is 3. Okay. Like that we can. Again for question number 5. B comma 0 is a solution for this equation. Find B. Now again we have to write this equation 5x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. X value is B. 5 into B plus 2 into y value 0. 3 equal to 0. See, this is x, this is y. Y equal to 0, x equal to b. This is called 5b plus 0 plus 3 equal to 0. 5b equal to, move this number to that side. Right, once again this will 0 plus 3, 3. Now 5b equal to minus 3. B equal to minus 3 by 5. Where is that? Minus 3 by 5, second bit, B. So, like this we can solve and find the missing value or point which lies on this one at this point, position, where A equal to 0. 0, 3 is a solution for this. Minus 5 by 3, comma 0 is a solution for this equation. So, like that we will get the different point, or we can find the different missing letters also. Now question 6. For equation y minus 2x equal to 4, if x equal to minus 2, then x comma y is dash. So C solution for 6. What is that? Y minus 2x equal to 4, our equation. Now we have to substitute x equal to minus 2. Y minus of minus 2 equal to 4. Y equal to minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 equal to 4. Move this number to that side. 4 minus 4. This equal to 0. Y equal to 0. For corresponding value x equal to minus 2. Whenever x equal to minus 2, we will get 0. So we have to see order pair x comma y. So x comma y is what? Minus 2 x comma y we have to write. X is minus 2, y is 0. Where is that minus 2? 0, B. So this is our answer. Okay. Now second, the graph of 7th one, the graph of 6x minus 3y equal to 12 is intersecting the y-axis at dash. Intersecting y-axis. Solution for 7th, question 7. Graph is given, line linear equation, this is given. This is 12. Intersecting at y-axis. Y-axis value for y-axis, value of x is 0. Okay. We know that. That for y-axis, x should be 0. So we have to substitute x equal to 0. So 6, 0, 3y equal to 12. So 0 minus 3y equal to 12. Minus 3y equal to 12. Y equal to minus 12 by 3. This is gone, so it's minus 4. So what is that? Point, this is given, point form. Point form is x comma y we have to write. That is 0 comma minus 4. Intersecting y-axis means this point. Negative side of this one, 0 minus 4. Where is that? B. Again, B is your solution. That means this line cuts y-axis. This is our x and this is x-axis. This is our y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4 is there. So the line cuts like that. So it makes here 0 minus 4. This is the point on this line. Okay, this is a point. It cuts the y-axis in negative side this way, or you can write this way also if you draw any line, but it must cut at a minus 4. This line must cut at a minus 4 on y-axis. So any one of these is a, like that we can solve the equation. Now comparing of two linear equations or pair of linear equation, we call it as pair of linear equation. We are comparing these two equation. General form of is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Conditions are there. Three conditions exist. While comparing these two lines, we will get three conditions. It gives the good meaning for consistent, inconsistent and dependent, independence. Okay. Now first condition is there. If a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 is there, for first condition, if a1 by a2, a1 first equation's coefficient of x, a2 second equation coefficient of x is not equal to coefficient of y of first equation by coefficient of second equation by second equation, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the pair of linear equation are consistent. This consistent means we can get a solution, and we get a solution of this equation. This two equation is one solution. We got one solution. Consistent means we get solution. That's enough. Okay. Second condition, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2 this is not c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Constant term. These constant terms are not equal. These are equal. These are equal. If these two are equal, ratio of these two are equal, but this is not equal, then the pair of linear equation, these two linear equations are inconsistent equation, means we cannot get the solution. We cannot get the solution. Inconsistent means we cannot get the solution. Remember this. Consistent means we get solution. Inconsistent means we will not get the solution. Third condition, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 or equal to c1 by c2, all are equal. The ratio of coefficient of x, coefficient of y constant. If these equal, then the pair of linear equation are dependent and consistent. We can solve this equation, but it is dependent one. Values are dependent one. Okay, and consistent means we get the solution. Consistent, we get the solution. Dependent means we have values are depend each other. Here consistent means we get solution, but the values are not dependent. Inconsistent means we cannot get the solution. So like this we can we have three conditions. One more thing you have to remember about this is this, whenever this condition is there, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Instead of this, one more condition is there. These lines are called intersecting line. Intersecting lines. Another condition is this is intersecting line. So we will get one solution. One solution, it has one solution. This is very important point. This is consistent, intersecting and one solution. With this condition we can say that consistent, intersecting lines and one solution. This is non-intersecting. These lines are non-intersecting lines, or we can say it is a parallel lines. This is called parallel lines. These two lines are called parallel lines, and no solution. no solution. It has no solution. That's why it is called inconsistent. This is also there. If this is there, they are called dependent, and these extra are there. They are, these lines are called coinciding lines. Coinciding lines. These are called coinciding lines. That means a line falls on the other one. So that's why it is coinciding line. It's another condition is there. It is also, it has solution, but many solution. It has many solutions. So remember this. These are the very important points, and we have solved these many solutions, parallel lines in equation of different form, or equation of linear equation in different form topics. We have already covered the other part, like the solution intersecting and these that. Okay, up to this. Up to this we have to stop. Okay, thank you.